How to change avatar in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the avatar. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here, we are in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to see different profile option. Now simply tap on your profile picture. Now here on the right bottom, there's a small option called avatar. Simply select avatar. So these are the avatar available. Here there are different frames that you can choose from. Here you can see there are different icons and different characters that are available too. So you can select the one that you want to change into and simply tap on use. Now as you can see, it has been completely changed. Now if you go back, even your friends and other players added with you will be able to see the avatar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.